Salam TV crew! We are heading to side shop. Yesterday we heard that the donor roof is arrived, so we went there and then checked the two donor roof. I think it was pretty good, right?
Not bad.
Yeah, it's like length was pretty good, everything was pretty good. We were not sure how they're gonna put the donor roof on the roof, but anyway, decided to figure it out, and then he put on the roof right now, like temporarily. So today we are gonna check on the donor roof on the Tubi, right? Okay, let's go. Oh wow, I can see. Guys, I can see the roof on the top. Man, and I will see it more clearly when we get there. I can't even speak seriously. Oh wow! Yeah, guys, it's up there. Up there. Guys, I just like kind of stopped recording for the vlog because I want to see how it is and I want to feel it first before I talk about it. So yeah, this is a donor roof. Yesterday we got it and then they just temporarily put on. Oh my god, it looks so great when you see outside. Like it's just perfect, you know, perfect shape and doesn't look odd. It's really nice. If you guys don't know, my height is 175 centimeter. Mark said that he's the same height.
Exactly the same.
Yeah, whatever. So I stand in here and then Mark checked my height, and between the roof gap it was a 5 centimeter, which is not that much rooms for us because you have to think about it. We are gonna put the roof fan in here, and we are gonna put the wood in here, and we are gonna put the light in here. So we decide to raise it 5 centimeter more, so that's like kind of set. And then yeah, it's like I feel really great. I mean, it doesn't look odd at all. It's really beautiful. I love that, you know, like they're using the fiberglass and they're gonna put the roll bar here so that it would be kind of sturdy and then stronger. So it's nice to feel it. It's, yeah, I know. It's good. Mohammed came here, so they're working on their roof. First thing they're gonna do the roll bar, so it should be matched with the roof. So they use the template, a little bit thin metal one. The thing is, like, you know, here's not everything they have it, so sometimes they go to their neighbors and bring the equipment. So they brought it, the bending one. It's so interesting. Look at that. They put their roll bar in there and they put it the pins and mark or something and then push it down. So that's how it bend. That's quite cool. It is interesting. So everything is really handmade. Really concerned about his skin and the eyes. Okay. I couldn't look at it and just feel like, I don't know, like I couldn't get close. Lindo! Lindo! Hello! You don't bark me anymore, right? Guys, I'm here to get the safety glasses because like everyone is working without the safety glasses, no glasses for Muhammad, and then he has two adorable kids and I don't want them to get hurt, and Mark feels so bad about that too, so I just grabbed our safety glasses and give to them. Okay, I think it's better, you know. I don't feel great. They are working like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like
Very-
sunglasses.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can wear it from the glasses, yeah. You're welcome.
It's just thinking about higher.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is it good like that?
I think it's good now. To here, it's about 10 centimeters.
To here, to here?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
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 About 10 centimeters.
Yeah,
To here
I
to
think-
here is more.
Yeah, yeah, I think it's
What
good.
is
Yeah.
Guys, now they're bending another one right now. So after they put the frame, I went in there and checked the height room, so it's perfect right now. So they're making same thing. The original one they make it is from the back right here, and then the other one you can see the color is a little bit changing. The other one will go up there. So it would be like good support. Anyways, I feel kind of better, you know, like giving the safety glasses, because yeah, I feel kind of, I don't know, just not feel great. So that's good that they can use it.
Mohammed, can Lucy one time? Lucy?
Yes,
Do you think I can do
mas
it?
pas de problème. Mange bien.
Alright. Okay.
Allez, vas-y.
A lot of work, huh?
Come on, Lucy. How is it?
Yeah?
Is that hard?
Yeah.
You gave up? You're tapping out already? Lucy just tapped
Okay,
out.
I feel ashamed because I was like I feel like ashamed. I was using two hands and they are using one hand. I feel kind of, I don't know, shameful. Shameful to see. While they're bending the second roll bar, I want to show you really vintage tent. Ooh, dust! Yeah, welcome to Morocco. This is the tent. It's really old, they said. Eamon told me that Sahid used it when he was young, so you can see the really vintage. But the room is really good because the rust of the pole, and you have a little bit bent over there. But I like that, you know, I like the color combinations. Guys, finally, Mohammed wear the safety glasses because like they forgot they have it. So Mark yelled at him. They're like, "Hey, you have those safety glasses, wear it." And then he's wearing, and Side is wearing too. Cool. Bars are done, so they're putting up. This is quite challenging. Everyone need help a little bit. Yeah. 오, 잡아주라. 페인트통. 이거 쓰다는 거 아이가? 아니야?
Voilà, c'est bon.
잘 잡아주라.
Where should the window go? Back here?
I think the winner is a bad area, the side, right?
Yeah.
There and there.
Maybe here?
Ici. D'accord.
What do you think? Over there would be good?
Maybe back a little bit. Pretty weird. That's good. Yeah, back there.
Yeah, I think so.
We are at 16.
The difference?
2.5.
Guys, the roller frame is up. It's like kind of welded too. It's a little bit tilted this way. So they said they are gonna fix it, but we just want to make sure how they're gonna do it. So Mark is talking about it. So we wanna, you know, like fix that problem this stage and make sure that everything is straight up and secure pretty good. So yeah, anyways, we're talking, Mark is talking and show the measurement is both side difference is 2 centimeters. As long as they can fix it and then adjust it, that's like totally okay. but I'm not expert, so I always like, is it fixable? So yeah, it's working good, and seeing that the frame is up, it looks nice. You guys can see it. The thing is with the, like, if this will be a sheet metal in there. I saw that they are working on the polyester. They are gonna do the whole roof as a fiberglass. That's what I heard. I hope that I understand right. This will be the things will go to the between the gaps over there, guys. So this will be laid out on the fiberglass, and it will be set up there. So it'll be like good. So yeah. They're still talking, so I need to catch up later after I talk with you guys. If there's another change, I will let you know.
The important thing.
Yeah.
You need to fix it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that needs to be fixed.
Okay. No, not like that.
Hey guys, this is Omar. He's the guy that will work on the fiberglass, and they're discussing about the details right now. So when guys are talking inside a van, I was like kind of filming what is going on and ask him what is happening and catch up with Mark. So everyone went out, so now I have TV all by myself. That's awesome. I'm not sure you guys can see that this frame is kind of tilted or not, because I'm like looking myself at the little screen. So but anyways, this one is kind of tilted, and this one is like this, like one side is 2 centimeter gap. So Mark was talking with him that how they're gonna fix it, or when they're gonna fix it, or fixable or whatever. And then all the conversation went pretty good, and they're gonna take it out and then readjust it. We are happy they're gonna like use a fiberglass to, you know, like connect this one to here, and most of the high roof use a fiberglass, you can see. So yeah, we are happy, but the other question is the how they're connected to this roof to the Tubi, because Tubi is kind of rounded it up more than, you know, other cars. They're gonna put the fiberglass layout all the way down, and there will be a gap, so they're gonna fill up with the fiberglass. It will be really strong and nice, and then waterproof too. And then the joint onto the fiberglass here, it will be rivet. So I think everything is going along. Every day it will be like this, like this is original plan, but you know, like we have to change it, and we have to discuss more in details. But anyways, so far it's going good. I'm really happy about the Tubi's roof height and the shape. Yeah, it will take a while. I feel that it needs to be adjusted, but they're like really hard workers with even hot weather. So let's see, a few days later maybe it will be good or not, but tomorrow we might show up here and then check again the frame is fixed. Yeah, let's see. I want to say thank you to Patreon members, TV crews, and without you guys' support, it would be hard to, you know, make this, you know, project. So thank you for supporting us, and thank you for watching our video. If you haven't clicked the like, please click the like and then share the video, and then see you next episode. Bye.